everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon. I am here with the Donald Scott. We're at the Philadelphia Premiere Show, and a poor lady was walking by and volunteered to be your demonstration model. So what are you talking about today?
We're going to use our Prepare silk powder, coconut oil, and we're going to mist her hair. Hold on to that for me. And we're going to use the Chopstick Pro. Let's just comb some of that out. Lay a little bit more of our Prepare. Okay, we're going to use our chopstick like a pencil, and we're just going to carve and do our pencil carving. And that's just going to release all the bulk. Okay, I'm going to take her ends, and I'm going to just texturize the ends with the carving comb. What's your name?
Laura.
Laura. And this is my tip for a day. Just carve through it with the Chopstick Pro.
I love that, and that's your #1 selling, right? Selling
Absolutely.
Tool, yeah.
Our Chopstick Pro has become our #1 selling over the carving comb.
And that's amazing, the blend you just put in her hair. And that poor thing wasn't prepared. She had a lot of stuff in her hair, so.
I hope she still loves me.
Well, I still love you, and Modern still loves you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks.
Thanks, Laura.
Bye.